In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Arizona, review the Arizona requirements, check the Arizona Corporate Commission's website to understand the full rules for changing your LLC's address, whether it's principal office or agent's address, obtain the correct form, download the Amendment of Articles of Organizational Form from the AAC website. This form is usually updated for your LLC's address. Complete the form, fill in your LLC's full name, current address, new address, and any other required details. Make sure all the information is correct before you file it. Prepare the filing fee. Include the required filing fee for your submission. Check the ACC website for the most current filing amount. Submit the form. Send the completed amendment form and payment to the Arizona Corporation Commissions. Either this could be online, in person, or by mail. Update other records. Once the change is approved, update your new LLC address with the IRS, bank, licenses, permits, and any other relevant business contacts to maintain consistency. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Arizona. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.